All right, real quick. So I just kind of figured something out myself. Once you finish oil change or airing up your tires, all that stuff, rotating tires, all your scheduled inspections, go to maintenance. You go to each one of these and you set what you want it to be. You can have 4 months, 5 months, 10,000 miles, 5,000 miles, and then you have to actually push reset once it's good. You go back and you do this to every single one of them. That way there's no switch being, you know, like the light little wrench, orange wrench isn't there anymore. And that way when the orange wrench does come on, it's kind of a reminder, hey, you've reached your 5,000 miles. Another thing too, tire pressure indicator was jacked up, had to air up the tires. So once, you know, you're in park, you've got your brake on, all that stuff, you got the tire pressure set, it's good. You would hold the set button right there until you hear a beep, and then it'll go away. That's it.